Well, hello, my staff. This is a quick tutorial over how to register or how to select the courses in It's Learning for the curriculum. So I'm going to walk you through it. You can use this as a reference, but once you put it in your course selections, you'll be good to go. So if you would go to the internet, your browser that you decide to use, and you will go to Employees and select It's Learning. Just moved away from me here. And you will use, go ahead and type in your username and password from your Active Directory. So hold on here. I guess it would be nice for me to make sure I put in the right password. Okay. You will see this nice little app selection here. Or you can just go and type into your browser, It's Learning, and it should pop up. You're going to log in with your Fort Worth ISD account again. But actually, no, you shouldn't have to at that time. So you see where it says courses, you're going to select on, this is the It's Learning homepage. So you see a lot of the different things here. It is a hub of a lot of the district's information. So again, you're going to go to courses. You're going to select all courses here. And then over here on the right hand side, you're going to see find more courses. Make sure, there you go. Find more courses, and you're going to select Cite Course Catalog. And this is for when you first want to pull up the curriculum and instructions. So you're going to type in and I, press search, and you will see the list of all of the curriculum courses that are available. I've already selected a lot of the courses already. So let us actually look in there. Let's do elementary music grade 1. So you're going to enroll in this course where you see this green button, enroll in the course, and you will see it says you are now enrolled in the course CNI Elementary Music Grade 1. So this would technically be for Mrs. Richmond. But if you want to find especially early childhood CNI, C and I, and again press search. You will scroll down and you see there's also the tabs there because it's 2 pages. If here's the Early Learning Curriculum Innovation Lab, I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to enroll in the course. So when you go back, if you want to look at the curriculum, you will see the list of, let me do this, go back. You will see the list of items or courses that you are actually enrolled technically in. So let us select, I think I did the Early Learning Curriculum Innovation Lab. And you will see this homepage in which you'll see pre-K, kindergarten, and first grade. Your information will be in here as well as in Spanish. I think early learning is still creating some of their information right now. So you'll see a lot of the links, the year at a glance, units, guides, the social emotional resources, curriculum map, assessments, and digital learning. Each one of them is a live link. And we'll have information. However, I think this one is still in development. Let's actually use second grade. So you can see for the upper grades, or any of first through or second through fifth, you'll see all of your curriculum by content. English on one side, Spanish on the other. And you'll notice here's the year at a glance. And then you'll have here all the information with the year at a glance if you want to look at the curriculum maps. So I wanted to give this to you all before we started with school, because I know a lot of you all were very inquisitive about the curriculum. It is now up and posted, but it was something that you did need to have a tutorial. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to contact either one of your instructional coaches, or feel free to contact one of your administrators. Again, I hope this helps, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.